Hello students, in this video we are going to solve question 2 of exercise 1.1, chapter 1 number system of class 9 math. So the question is find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So this question can be done in two different ways. The first way is the easy one, which is the first method. In this method we can directly write the numbers between 3 and 4. The 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4 will be we'll take all the numbers between 3 and 4 by using decimal number. So 3. So the next number can be written as 3.1. Next can be 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3.6. So these are all the rational numbers between 3 and 4. So this is one of the methods. We can directly write the numbers by using the decimal point. So this was one of the method to find the rational numbers between 3 and 4. The other method is by making these numbers as fractions. So to find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4, the denominator should be 6, the total number of numbers we need to find out, plus 1, which is equal to 7. So we'll make the denominator of 3 and 4 as 7. So to make the denominator of 3 as 7, we are going to multiply and divide it by 7, which equals 1 divided by 7. And similarly, we'll make the denominator of number 4 as 7. So we'll multiply and divide by 7. So 4 times 7 is 28 divided by 7. So now we are going to find 6 numbers between 21 divided by 7 and 28 divided by 7, which equals 3 and 4. So let's find the numbers. First number can be 22 divided by 7, then 23 divided by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, and 27 by 7. So these are the 7 numbers: 21, 22 upon 7, 23 upon 7, 24, 25, 26, and 27 upon 7. So these are the 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So these were the two methods to find 6 rational numbers between the numbers. You can use the decimal method if the number are whole number, or you can use the second method where we make the whole numbers as rational numbers or fractions and find the numbers between these numbers. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.